you know. Don't know we watch everything. You have a woman named Annie on the internet. I don't know where me do Annie. I don't follow Annie. But everywhere me go, Annie follow me. Every page where me go on, Annie dey on it. Annie take over from Amari. She take over from Queenie. No care Queenie come on and cuss. It's like we're not busy with Queenie again. We just know say, yeah man, a Queenie that. We're done with the Queenie series. Because I did wonder when the series are going to come to an end. But Queenie series done. Amari still a fight with Fear series. Because she said the man beat her and must be Bahamas. And take her papers. And she called police. And then now she a Fear pitting them. So Annie now just say, me see Amari do it. So me have to go do it. And Annie have some money for pitney. I don't know if a 6 or 7 pitney Annie have. She have son and daughter and all type of pitney. Right? So them call them the ants family. So you have white ants, pink ants, blue ants, black ants, red ants, every ants, biting ants, coolie ants, big ants, little ants. You have all of the ants them. Right? And me a look. I remember when me just start see Annie on the internet. Annie claimed to fame on the internet. She attack. I said, guys, I have this to tell you guys. Good guys, I have to share this with you guys. Guys, them beat up my daughter down at school, guys. Guys, I go down there and them try fight me. Guys, them this, them that and them that and. I saw Annie claims come to fame because she and people ever in a problem. Annie go viral as sucker cocky. Annie go viral as sucker cocky. Them say Annie now suck the hood good. Annie don't know if it's so good. Then when me look, me see Annie there, small island. Annie daughter take over the series now. Anna take over the series. Right? She and her back and forth on the internet, back and forth on the internet. My mother wicked. Me hate my mother. My mother don't want me to do good in her life. This, that, I want bag of something. And me now just go buy popcorn and do it in my yard now and take up my popcorn and get interested in the show, you know. Right? Every day. And guys, let her tell you what happened, guys. Guys, let's listen that, guys and guys and guys and guys and guys. When me look, Anna breed. Anna breed. And you have one man named Lando and one other man. Lando come out and say, and he suck good and do the whole of the something them. And she say, him bite her upon her body and pinch her upon her clit and lick her pum pum and go with all kind of something. And me I say, wow, watch a show get interesting. 50 Shades of Annie. A 50 Shades of Annie this me I watch. Right? Then when me go over man look, Anna breed. Anna have a pitney and everybody I say, yo, whoa, Anna breed, Anna have a pitney. When me look, me say Anna, me say, come remember, where man name biting answer, blue answer, pink answer, where man name beat Annie. Him beat Anna, and every minute him beat Anna come out on a ball. Anna just come out on a ball. And the people them, when she ball and the people them give her the money on TikTok, she get the whale and the lion and the whole of what give her the zoo. She get the whole of what give her the zoo and she get the money when you look at she that the pan blood clean to him where man name bike. When she up on the bike, see them here? Palm Beach. And I playing in the background. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Cause I got you. Nobody want to see. I said, Jesus Christ. A so bally nice. Pink ants and blue ants and within the ants name. When me look, the pitney band. Everybody wants to see the pitney, who the pitney favor, who the pitney look like. Blood clot. Murder. When me look, me see one black pitney, them say them want to talk with the pitney name. When me hear from the show, the pitney name Wilbert. Me know about Big Jilla Isle. Me know them name pitney Lasco. Me know them name pitney Alex. Because I know pitney love Alex. Them name the pitney after Alex. Because them say that the mother did want. Them name the pitney Milo. Them name the pitney Supplicant. Them give the pitney some whole heap of name. When me look, me hear them call the pitney Wilbert. And me I say, God no. You know, say, we not deserve this. We not deserve this. Why them would have do that little baby at this? The whole internet run out on the baby. And he run out And I run out and say, don't leave Wilbert alone. Whoa, I feel like I want to kill myself, and she ball again. And them get the whole of get the zoo. And he come out and say, people, let me tell you it go, guys. Let me tell you it go. My daughter have 2 man here. That picnic is not for biting hands or hot hands or pink hands or blue hands or wait one name. I want that man picnic. And lick her own daughter chip, you know. I know about gender reveal. I never hear about jacket reveal yet in her life. Pussy clap. Yo, you know what I'm going to come over the internet? Me hear about gender reveal. Me hear about proposal where you hide the cake, the ring in the cake and some molly or something. Me never hear about jacket reveal yet in her life. Me never hear about jacket reveal yet. Remember, you know, I the mother, you know, Anna, you know, Annie, you know, lick Anna chip, you know. And then lick Anna chip and say she give Wilbert to the wrong father, you know. She no star. Me can't do that family. I can't take them from me, man. Tell me the truth, people. Who never hear nothing like that yet? And every time you go to man think that episode done, you get a fresher episode. Now, one man name something like a soldier, security guard or police or whatever one name. All of a sudden, when me look, him try for Annie. And when him try for Annie, and him and Annie that depend date. Right? Him and Annie that depend date 2 toes. Them say Annie love man like dog. Right? As a man look for Annie, she ready for go date him. Remember say Annie goes to Bama and say, oh, people and ball live in high water. You don't know that family they have so much high water. Anybody have them number? Come know a couple funeral home I want some people for work for ball. You know? Like when family have a small amount of people and they want to pay somebody for ball at the funeral, I want the family they for ball at some funeral because they can ball you fuck. Me say every minute, oh, them have so much high water, them full of high water, you fuck. Right? And he come on and say, whoa, me not have no door. So me all say people, me not have no door. And me I say, bumbuckler. Then I in the house, she that suck the wood and have no door. Girl, them bad. Remember the girl don't know nothing about up alcoves, windows and door. No door, she has suck the wood, yo. Yo, Jano. And Jano style. Yo, what me do people? I want to tell me what me do people in our life. Me a good youth, you know? You know say me a good youth? I'm a good youth. When me look, Jerry get a piece of money, I know the door na buy. When me look, she talk to the security man, where man name? Where man name? Soldier, security or police or where the man one name, gunman or where one name. Right? I remember now, when me look, I she and the man that 2 twos when me look them a clash and I bring down. Jano star. And she come out and say, move your dirty blood clot in your shop. Remember say she not have no door pan for her house and she say, this a man and on the toilet for piece of shit. She said 2 days she not bed. I say, I will not be for 2 days, them have to beat that out of me. I not tell a lie. If me not be for 2 days, them have to beat it out of me. Because remember the people them say Annie look like she never be yet. And Annie just come prove the people them right. Annie just come prove the people them right, you know. Annie just come prove the people them right. Because the people them say Annie look like she never be yet. And Annie come say, move your dirty blood clot. More shit and couldn't shit. You don't have no bathroom in your shop. Move. You don't have no water in your shop. Oh, murder. I said, John Star, what we do them people in our life? These are people who have 1 bag of pitney, KD. 1 bag of pitney. And then you the wickedest thing, you the rest of pitney them come in. You don't like pitney them on TikTok. Don't like pitney them on TikTok. Everyone I pitney them on TikTok. So it's like me don't know what coming out the series next. Jano Star. When me look, Annie that come on again a ball along the whole internet again. Ooh, me miss him. Ooh, me love him. Remember last night she started talking to him, you know. Ooh, guys, me not gonna tell a lie, you know. Me love him for real. And last week them start talking, you know. And you love him for real. What a boy, me I tell you, you have some people them know if you drop down in a love card. That I don't fall in love. That I kick your foot straight. Poof. Kick your foot, lick up forehead, everything. Ooh, guys. I love him, guys. Ooh, guys, I miss him, guys. But you know him have some ways, you know, guys. When me look. Mr. Wilbert Granny I learn for jive. Mr. How the blood clot this. So this a man in a bathroom, shit half car put in for jive. And then two she come on back and say, me miss him more and go back up at the shop. Buckler. They don't make her come off of this. Me have to come off of this. Me have to come off of this. Because to how she bring down the shop. To how she bring down the shop. And then a ball to go back up at the shop. Something have to seriously wrong. She don't be able to 2 days because in no toilet. In no water. In no nothing. She not have no door. In no water. Him have a shop. And she have. I don't know what she have. She no star. When me look. And the next man. And the next man say. Me a kill a man for me girl. Give him back me girl. Remember him and I did a suck out in a suck them one of the nine. Him and I know. And him go down and ask like the policeman here and say, hey boy, let up my woman now. Let up my woman now. Come remember. And he go say she spend 70,000 with she and the policeman. And them go up and date and go here and be a one bag of something. And me I say, bumbuckler, 70,000 in them time here, you don't have no door. You don't have no door and you spend 70,000 upon a man. Bumbuckler. And she just come on and guys, you don't know what I'm going through, guys. You know, him not uplift me and him not this and I know I love him because him have some ways. When you look, one little bit of eye water and come right and so, and she come like she have something and she make look her nose not come out at that. She say, guys, you know, look at the look eye water come. Yo, fight for me eye water come. Eye water too hard for come here, man. Me want too hard to come. Then can't pay me for ball. Me not like that. Me not like that. All me a try for ball, I want to now come. But me not tell a lie. I want done in that series there. God know. Cause Amari give we a run, you know. Cause we da follow up the Amari series, you know. She take up one man and say my artist, you know. Right? And then two just say the man beat her. Then the next time she say, oh, anyway, she say Queenie, she gonna fight Queenie. Cause them a try this controversy thing and it not work. I'm telling you, everybody controversy work for a year. You'll never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you. You'll never find. I'm ball out. When time rolls around, I know. Let me tell you something. Remember, I love the whole of you. Remember, I love all of you. Right? But me have to come out for the live, you know. No one me do my anniversary over here and ball like Wilbert and Gilbert and the whole of them something. I want to not give me nothing. Me have to go over TikTok, go ball over there, because over there the money I run. Because when I go #1 over there, I can come and tell you that I make 3 mil. You know what I mean? So again, I'll see you soon. Okay? Have a nice Sunday.